still here of your legs. As you bring right hand towards your left thigh, left hand reaches up and reaches for the right toes. Again, keeping the chest open, looking underneath the arm to bring that stretch into the side body, maybe slightly across the lower back. Take another inhale. And release on the exhale, left hand comes behind the glutes. Squeezing the glutes, pressing into that left hand, reach the right hand up, fallen star. Engaging your core. And exhale, releasing here. We're turning back to face the front of the mat. Bring that left knee in with you as you plant the left foot. Right hand comes back to the edge of the mat. We lift the left hand, engaging our core, pressing into the right hand, lifting the hips. We're sending it all the way back to that lizard lunge. And then slowly both hands come to the inside of the foot. We're going to send it back to three-legged dog. And exhaling, downward face.